Should I buy or sell AMTD Digital? The report for AMTD Digital was first published on our website Thursday, January 5, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 5, 2023, our system ranks AMTD Digital as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for AMTD Digital, our last headline reads, High volatility in AMTD Digital Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $29.95. The AMTD Digital Incorporated stock price gained 199.5% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 5, 2023, rising from $10 to $29.95. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 126.55% from a day low at $16.65 to a day high of $37.72. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days but is still up by 129.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 37 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 37 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.12 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $2,555.30, and the lowest price was $9.31. Right now the price is 98.83%, or $2,525.35, below 52-week high at $2,555.30. The current 3-month trend also indicates a possible minus 40.77% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 81.86% and minus 40.77%. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for AMTD Digital. The AMTD Digital Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $13.23 and $15.92. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 3, 2023, and so far it has risen 204.37%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 105 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages buy signal 96 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for AMTD Digital. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $28 and $23.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, AMTD Digital Inc. finds support just below today's level at $28. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $23.61 and $23. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $21.07 between high and low, or 126.55%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 33.23%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for AMTD Digital. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. AMTD Digital currently has a price-earning ratio of 187.19. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical or tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, AMTD Digital meets first resistance at $30.15. If you do not hold AMTD Digital shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, AMTD Digital finds first level of support at $28, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $28.91, minus 3.48%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 2 days ago. Is AMTD Digital stock a buy? AMTD Digital Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 6th, we expect AMTD Digital to open down minus $1.84 and start trading at $28.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to